So, you've turned the first writing assignment in. I've marked it up. I've given it back to you. You've gone and downloaded it. You'll see, and now you're getting ready to turn in your second assignment. So what you want to do is come. Hopefully you did a save as, and you changed the document name. Sorry, the little screen is not playing nice right now. If you didn't, do a save as. Writing assignment 1.2, so it's still the first one, but it's the second version. Oh, that's interesting. I don't know how that happened. 1.2. You'll see. When I was editing the assignment, when I was making corrections as your teacher, I forgot to turn the reviewing function off. So the first thing that you'll want to do is come to the review tab and turn the track changes off. And you can start making changes. Oops, second, not third. Now you'll see there's comments, and the comments are in code. And you're going to go, what the am I supposed to do with that? If you look on Blackboard, you'll see this first one has the writing assignment codes. They're not going to change, so I'm not going to post the document with every second draft. So you just save these someplace and pull them open when you need them. You'll see, here's the codes. Now the X means there's one or more words missing in your sentence. And that I put directly in the text. And you'll see I forgot to put one. Let me put one. There we go. So you see there's an X here. That means there's one or more words missing right there. So you want to come VCB, vocab. That means there's a word choice. It's the wrong word. Now, because you have a noun here, you don't want to use elle. You want to use c'est. So you want to turn the track changes off, leave the original comments, and write a new sentence. So since we're going to use c'est, we start off with c'est. Actually, it would be se because it's negative, right? Now you'll see the next one has a couple of different problems. So we have a sp and a vocab and an ax and a vag. Lots of stuff. So the sp, spelling. So something's not spelled correctly. The vocab, again, there's a better word. Vag, the verb agreement. The verb conjugation doesn't match the subject. And what was the other one? Ax. The ACC, accent. So there's something wrong with the accent. So you see what happened was when I was doing the International Keyboard, if you go too fast, if you forget to hit the space, you end up with an accent instead of an apostrophe. So that's what happened. Now the ES is the conjugation for être for tu, not for il, elle, on, or ce. So this needs to have the T. And that takes care of all of our problems here. Now the X, do you know where the X is? The X is the pas. Because remember in French, the negation happens with the pas. If you don't have a pas, you don't really have a negation. And then the rest is fine, so I'm going to not change anything there. Now, moyen has one. It has a nag. Or nagging. Nag. Noun agreement. So, moyen is masculine, but une étudiante is feminine. So you see in the text in the question, somehow this didn't get spelled properly. And I just changed that. If you run it through Bon Patron, which I didn't do, I just made errors so that you could see the comments, it should catch this for you. The same for this ness and probably the pas. It should catch all of these. It might not catch the L as being S, but that's okay, right? So once you're done making your new corrections, save, go away. Upload your document, same as last time. I'm in teacher mode, so it's not actually going to let me do anything. But you would come, make sure you upload the 1.2 and not the 1.1 again. And you just double check the name here. If you get the wrong one, you can quickly don't attach, and it'll go, oh, we didn't want that one. Try again. To make sure you have the 1.2. And remember, submit, don't save as. And then you're good to go.